Valentine's Day is coming, and what if I told you that you can create a full love story video using just one image? No complex editing, no long setup. Just Filmora desktop and the right Valentine's Day image to video feature. Before we begin, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my upcoming videos. Step 1. Choose Valentine's image to video assets. Open a Filmora desktop, go to Stock Media, then to AI Media. Then under Video Inspiration, you will find the Valentine's Day folder with different types of templates related to Valentine's Day. These templates are designed to animate a single photo into a complete romantic scene. Pick a few styles depending on your theme. Choose the one that matches your mood. Soft, cute, emotional, or celebratory. Step 2. Create a video from an image. Drop your image into the image to video, then simply click on Generate, and within a few seconds you will get your video. You will find the generated video under the My Files. Now, place the generated video onto the timeline. Let's see the preview. Step 3. Add Valentine's assets for richer visuals. To enrich your video, head to Effects and then to Valentine, and you will get different types of effects. Choose one and place it on your footage. Similarly, go the filter and select Valentine and you will see a different filter. Select the one and place it on your footage and give a different vibe to your footage. Then, under Stickers, go to Valentine and explore the amazing stickers for Valentine's Day and place one onto the timeline. Even if you have multiple videos, use Valentine transitions to make your video more attractive. Step 4. Final touches and export. Preview your video once, make small timing adjustments, and you're ready to export. In just a few minutes, you've turned one image into a themed Valentine's Day love story, perfect for social media, messages, or personal keepsakes. Filmora makes it easy to express love in many forms: romantic, self-love, family, or even pets. Sometimes one image is all you need. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and bell icon. See you in the next video.